Let's take a look at this beautiful home located in Lakefield, situated on over 3 acres of land. Let's have a look. I don't even know where to begin. We have this spectacular outdoor entertainment space. We have a pool, a hot tub. Did I mention there's a fountain? And up here we have additional seating, an entrance off the primary bedroom, and another main entrance off the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen. This is a chef's dream. We have double ovens, a beautiful countertop, high-end appliances. What more could you ask for? And right off the kitchen, we have the formal dining area and the living space. We have a massive bathroom with a soaker tub. From here, we have bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, and then on the left, the primary. And like I said, it's right off the deck. This is absolutely spectacular with its own ensuite. In this wing of the house, we have main floor laundry, work from home, have your own business. You have your own side entrance with a separate 2-piece washroom. And down we go. I don't even know how to talk about this space because there's so much potential of what you could do with it. Let's go this way first. We're in the basement. This is a massive entertainment space. Look at these windows. Okay, let's go in here now. Do you want to mix drinks? Play pool? Throw darts? They have it all. I think I'm good at darts. What are you waiting for? Let's check out the west wing. So here we have potential for an in-law suite or secondary suite setup. Private entrance for the secondary or in-law suite. See this? Another 4-piece washroom. All the listing information is below. Come check it out. And if you don't buy it, well, I just might.